everyone. So I am Akshita and welcome back to the channel Akshita Idea. So today I will share the knowledge with you about plants. So let's start. Plants has two types. Means it has two parts: root system and shoot system. Let me draw, it would be more clear. And if I have to show the diagram, I will show the diagram to you after my every topic. So this is flower, stem, leaf, roots, soil. So this is shoot system. This is root system. This is my rough drawing. So in when we are a child, so we draw like this only. So the shoot system, the part that is above this soil is known as shoot system, and the part that is below the soil is known as shoot system. So let me erase this and we will clarify it. So we will write the parts. The first is root system. The part of root system is roots. This is the only part of root system. Roots are the only part of root system. And now we will move to the shoot system. The first is stem, flower, leaf, these are the four main part of shoot system. So we will discuss the roots and these parts of shoot system one by one. So let's start. So first we will discuss about roots. So there are how many types of roots? There are two types of root. The first is tap roots. Second is there are two type of root, tap root and fibrous root. Let me draw the diagram of tap roots and fibrous root, and I will show the diagram in the last of my ending of the topic. So tap. This is the taproot. This is the plant, and this, like this is the. There is the main root in the center, and from that, many lateral roots come out from the main root. Now, fibrous root. This is the plant, and these are the roots. Fibrous root doesn't contain the main root or any lateral root. They are just like fiber. Now modifications. There are some modifications in roots so which help them plants to survive in that area. So first is breathing roots. Let me write here. What are breathing roots? The mangrove tree. Have you ever heard the mangrove tree? Mangrove tree always grow in the marshy regions. So the roots come out of the soil to breathe. Second, support. For additional support, there are two types of root. The first is stilt root. The first is stilt root. Stilt roots are like this. This is the stem and these are the stilts root. These are the stilt roots. Like they grow from stem to soil to provide the support. And the next support, in the support modification, there are two types. The first is stilt root, the second one is prop roots. Prop roots are also known as aerial roots, such as banyan tree. The roots come from the branches, upper branches. Okay. Now the third is food storage, such as turnip, radish, carrot. They are like roots. They are roots. So the modification, the third modification is food storage. The food is stored into the roots, such as carrot, radish, turnip are the example of food storage. Now, what is the work of root? Okay, let me give you example of the work of root. Where if you plant this plant and always give water into the plant regular time at the regular interval as the plant requires. Okay, so now when you give water to the soil, how it will go to the different part of plant? Roots help to absorb minerals and water from the soil and give it to the plant. The main work is absorb water. Okay, so now move to the next topic. So now the next topic is leaf. So we will discuss the venation, work and modification of leaves. So first is venation. There are two types of venation in leaves. First is reticulate and second is parallel. Reticulate. So there are two types of venation. First is reticulate and the second is parallel venation. So let me draw and I will show the diagram after the end of this topic. So reticulate. Let me draw here only. I hope it is visible. This is a leaf. So it has midrib. These are the veins. The veins are originated from midrib and going in different direction. They doesn't have fixed direction. They are going in like random direction. Okay. So now what is parallel venation? This is a leaf. The veins are fixed that they have to go in the one direction and it should be parallel direction. So this is known as parallel venation. Okay. Now what are the works of leaf? As you know very well that leaves are also known as food factory of plant or kitchen of the plant. So the main work is photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the main work of leaf. The photosynthesis is the process in which leaf make the food for the whole plant. Okay. So now second is exchange of gases. Exchange of gases in the as you all know, I hope you all know about that plant take carbon dioxide in the process of photosynthesis and reveal oxygen. So this happens through the leaf. The stomata present in the leaves do the exchanges of gases, which in the process of photosynthesis stomata that present on the leaves takes the carbon dioxide and reveal the oxygen. Now third is transpiration. What do you mean by transpiration? When the leaf absorbs extra water, it it reveal the extra water by the water vapor. Okay, so now we will discuss about the modifications of leaf. There are some means like a modification of the leaf which help plant to survive in different climate. The first is spines. Okay, so in the desert region, I think that you have already heard about the cactus that is present in the desert region. So as you know that desert region is hot and dry. So if there will be leaf, so the transpiration will be happen. The plant will lose the water, and how it can be possible to survive a plant without water. So the leaves are converted into spines to prevent the water loss. Next is tendrils. So if you will see any climbing plants to provide the extra support, the leaves are converted into tendrils which can provide the plant support so that it can climb up. Okay. So these are the two main modification of the leaves. And now I will draw a diagram of the leaf by labeling all its parts and also show the picture after the ending of this topic. Okay. So let me draw the diagram. So let us draw the diagram of leaves. Okay. So so its first part is petiole. Okay. This is known as petiole. Okay. This is veins. Okay. These are the veins. This the mid part is known as midrib. This the green part of the leaf is known as leaf blade. This tip is known as apex. So these are the main parts of leaf. Now I will show the two picture that I have promised you to show, and that's all for today. And we will discuss about the flower, stem, and the labeling and the diagram of plant in the next video in the part 2. Bye.